In this tutorial, we are building a journey in which when a customer is updated or added on Shopify, it will get added in Mailchimp. So let's start. Select Shopify as a trigger. Then choose Customer Added or Updated as Trigger Event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, add the customer status. Now in steps, we have to add a new subscriber. For that, select Mailchimp. Next, add subscriber member as action. Select an existing connection again and click on Link an Account. Next, select List. Enter the email using Shopify app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. So let's go to Shopify, add a customer. Now fill in the customer details. It's done. Click on Save. The customer has now been created. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Mailchimp. We can see a new customer has been added in Mailchimp. In this way, we can build an automation journey to add new Shopify customers as new subscribers in Mailchimp. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.